any bands that can do rock. Almost up the talent.
Hanging out in school, we was really bored. Then it came to me, man, I really scored. We'll get some guitars and break out of the loop. We'll get together, man, and form a group. With pounding drums and throbbing bass. We'll play real loud right up in your face. We'll write some words, some really nasty stuff. One or two chords, that'll be enough. Yeah, I'm in a rock band, rock band. 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 We got a practice space with the lava lamp. I look really cool with my Marshall amp. All the chicks are dying to go out with me. I treat them like shit and they say, oh please. We're playing at some bar, we go on at 2. There's 13 bands gonna be there too. You gotta see them all cause they're really great. I'm saving up my drugs, I can hardly wait. Yeah, I'm in a rock band, rock band. 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 I'm so cool, look at me.
Major recording contracts.
Rockstar God, worship thee.
Heavy metal and hit you.
I'm so cool, look at me.
Do a real good job.
Rockstar God, worship thee.
Almost up the
A
talent.
dude in a suit and a limousine said he's gonna throw lots of money at me. He said we were great